1. A and an. Meaning: used before a singular noun, not specific. Example: I have a dog. She is an English teacher. 2. About. Meaning: on a subject or approximately. Example: we talk about school. It's about 5 o'clock. 3. Above. Meaning: in a higher position. Example: the picture is above the bed. 4. Across. Meaning: from one side to the other side. Example: she walks across the street. 5. Action. Meaning: something you do. Example: the movie has a lot of action. 6. Activity. Meaning: something you do for fun or work. Example: football is my favorite activity. 7. Actor. Meaning: a man who acts in movies or plays. Example: he is a famous actor. 8. Actress. Meaning: a woman who acts in movies or plays. Example: she is a good actress. 9. Add. Meaning: to put something together with something else. Example: please add sugar to my coffee. 10. Address. Meaning: the place where someone lives. Example: what is your home address? 11. Adult. Meaning: a person who is not a child. Example: she is 25 years old. She is an adult. 12. Advice. Meaning: ideas that help you decide what to do. Example: my teacher gives me good advice. 13. Afraid. Meaning: feeling fear. Example: I am afraid of snakes. 14. After. Meaning: later than something. Example: we play football after school. 15. Afternoon. Meaning: the time between 12 o'clock and evening. Example: I study in the afternoon. 16. Again. Meaning: one more time. Example: please say that again. 17. Age. Meaning: how old someone is. Example: what is your age? 18. Agree. Meaning: to say yes or have the same opinion. Example: I agree with you. 19. Air. Meaning: the gas we breathe. Example: the air is clean today. 20. Airport. Meaning: a place where planes take off and land. Example: we are at the airport now. 21. All. Meaning: every person or thing. Example: all students are here. 22. Also. Meaning: to, in addition. Example: I like tea. I also like coffee. 23. Always. Meaning: every time. Example: she always wakes up early. 24. Amazing. Meaning: very surprising or very good. Example: the movie is amazing. 25. And. Meaning: used to join words or sentences. Example: I have a brother and a sister. 26. Angry. Meaning: feeling mad. Example: he is angry because he is late. 27. Animal. Meaning: a living creature, not a human. Example: a dog is an animal. 28. Another. Meaning: one more, a different one. Example: I want another apple. 29. Answer. Meaning: something you say or write in reply. Example: She knows the answer. Please answer the question. 30. Any, meaning used in questions and negative sentences. Example: Do you have any money? I don't have any brothers. 31. Anyone, meaning any person. Example: Does anyone speak English? 32. Anything, meaning anything. Example: I don't want anything to eat. 33. Apartment, meaning a place to live in a building. Example: She lives in a small apartment. 34. Apple, meaning a round fruit. Example: I eat an apple every day. 35. April, meaning the fourth month of the year. Example: My birthday is in April. 36. Area, meaning a place or part of a place. Example: This is a quiet area. 37. Arm, meaning the body part between shoulder and hand. Example: My arm hurts. 38. Around, meaning in a circle, in many places. Example: We walk around the park. 39. Arrive, meaning to get to a place. Example: The train arrives at 6 p.m. 40. Art, meaning paintings, drawings, and creative work. Example: She loves art. 41. Article, meaning a piece of writing in a newspaper or magazine. Example: I read an interesting article online. 42. Artist, meaning a person who makes art. Example: She is a famous artist. 43. As, meaning in the role of, like. Example: She works as a teacher. 44. Ask, meaning to say something to get information. Example: I want to ask a question. 45. At, meaning used for place or time. Example: She is at school. The class starts at 9 o'clock. 46. August, meaning the 8th month of the year. Example: We go on vacation in August. 47. Aunt, noun, meaning the sister of your mother or father. Example: My aunt lives in London. 48. Autumn, meaning the season after summer. Example: The leaves fall in autumn. 49th. Away, meaning not here, to another place. Example: He is away this week. 50. Baby, meaning a very young child. Example: The baby is sleeping. 51. Back, meaning the rear part, returning. Example: My back hurts. I will come back tomorrow. 52. Bad, meaning not good. Example: The weather is bad today. 53. Bag, meaning something you carry things in. Example: My books are in my bag. 54th. Ball, meaning a round object used in games. Example: The children play with a ball. 55th. Banana, noun, meaning a long yellow fruit. Example: I eat a banana for breakfast. 56. Band, meaning a group of musicians. Example: This band is very popular. 57. Bank, money, noun, meaning a place where you keep money. Example: I go to the bank to get money. 58. Bath, meaning washing your body in water. Example, she takes a bath every evening. 59. Bathroom, noun, meaning a room with a toilet and shower/bath. Example, the bathroom is upstairs. 60. Be, verb, meaning to exist, used to describe something. Example, I am happy. She is my friend. They are students. 61. Beach, meaning a place with sand near the sea. Example, we go to the beach in summer. 62. Beautiful, meaning very pretty. Example, she has a beautiful dress. 63. Because, meaning for the reason that. Example, I am happy because it's my birthday. 64. Become, meaning to start to be something. Example, she wants to become a doctor. 65th. Bed, meaning furniture for sleeping. Example, I go to bed at 10 p.m. 66th. Bedroom, meaning a room where you sleep. Example, my bedroom is small. 67. Beer, meaning an alcoholic drink. Example, he drinks a beer with dinner. 68. Before, meaning earlier than something. Example, wash your hands before eating. 69. Begin, meaning to start. Example, the class begins at 8 o'clock. 70. Beginning, meaning the first part. Example, read the story from the beginning. 71. Behind, meaning at the back of something. Example, the cat is behind the door. 72. Believe, meaning to think something is true. Example, I believe you. 73. Below, meaning in a lower place. Example, the temperature is below 0. 74. Best, meaning better than all others. Example, she is my best friend. 75. Better, meaning more good than something else. Example, this book is better than that one. 76. Between, meaning in the middle of two things. Example, the bank is between the shop and the school. 77. Bicycle, meaning a vehicle with two wheels. Example, I go to school by bicycle. 78. Big, meaning large in size. Example, they live in a big house. 79. Bike, meaning a bicycle or motorcycle. Example, he rides his bike every day. 80. Bill, meaning a paper that shows how much money you must pay. Example, the restaurant bill is $20. 81. Bird, meaning an animal with wings that can fly. Example, the bird is in the tree. 82nd. Birthday, meaning the day you were born each year. Example, today is my birthday. 83rd. Black, meaning a very dark color. Example, she has a black bag. 84. Blog, meaning a website where someone writes regularly. Example, she writes a travel blog. 85. Blonde, meaning having light yellow hair. Example, she has blonde hair. 86. Blue, meaning the color of the sky. Example, his shirt is blue. 87. Boat, meaning a small vehicle that travels on water. Example, they go fishing by boat. 88. Body, meaning your whole physical self. Example, exercise is good for your body. 89. Book, meaning something you read. Example, I read a book every week. 90. Boot, meaning a strong shoe that covers the foot and ankle. Example, he wears black boots. 91. Bored, meaning feeling tired and not interested. Example, I am bored at home. 92. Boring, meaning not interesting. Example, the movie is boring. 93. Born, meaning to come into the world. Example, I was born in 2010. 94. Both, meaning two people or things together. Example, both my parents work. 95. Bottle, meaning a container for liquids. Example, I drink a bottle of water. 96. Box, meaning a square container. Example, the shoes are in the box. 97. Boy, meaning a male child. Example, the boy is playing football. 98. Boyfriend, meaning a man or boy you have a romantic relationship with. Example, she goes to the cinema with her boyfriend. 99. Bread, meaning food made from flour and baked. Example, I eat bread for breakfast. 100. Break, meaning to stop for a short time / a short rest. Example, let's take a break. I need a short break.
Thank you. And that's where we'll leave it for today. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share the podcast with your friends and family. It really does make a tremendous difference, and we're most grateful for your support.